Cherry blossoms lovers, this is a heavenly video for you. Sakura, also known as cherry blossom, is a beloved symbol of Japan that has become popular around the world. These delicate pink and white flowers are stunning and are often associated with the arrival of spring. Cherry blossoms also represent renewal and new beginnings. Cherry blossom season lasts from late March to early May. This kind of flower holds a special place in Japanese culture, representing renewal and hope. While cherry blossoms are primarily associated with Japan, they can also be found in other parts of the world. This flower has the power to create some magical views, as you can see captured here in this video. Beautiful views.